Hello students, in this video we are going to learn 7th class mathematics, 5th chapter triangles and its properties, exercise 5.3. Main points: angle sum property of a triangle. Draw a triangle on the paper and cut its three angles with scissors and place them adjacent to each other on a line. You will notice that they form a straight angle. First of all, draw a triangle on the paper. This is first angle and this is second angle. This is third angle in this triangle. Cut the first angle and place it on a straight line. And cut the second angle, place it adjacent to this first angle. Cut the third angle and place it adjacent to the second angle. Here you will notice that all the three angles formed a straight angle. That means this is a 180 degrees. Therefore, the sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Exercise 5.3, first problem. Find the value of the unknown x in the following triangles. First bit, here triangle ABC is given. Angle A is equal to x degrees, angle B is equal to 50 degrees, angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Let us solve this problem. Here we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees by the angle sum property. Angle A is x, angle B is 50, angle C is 60. So, x plus 50 plus 60 is equal to 180 degrees. Here 50 plus 60 becomes 110 degrees. So, x plus 110 is equal to 180 degrees. Transpose this 110 to the right side, it will become minus 110. X is equal to 180 minus 110. Therefore, x is equal to 70 degrees. This is the required x value. Second bit, here triangle PQR is given. Angle P is a right angle, that means it is 90 degrees. Angle Q is equal to 30 degrees and angle R is equal to x degrees. We have to find the x value. Let us solve this problem. We know that angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees by the angle sum property of a triangle. So, angle P is 90, angle Q is 30, angle R is x. So, 90 plus 30 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. 90 plus 30 becomes 120. So, 120 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. Let us transpose this 120 to the right side, it will become minus 120. So, x is equal to 180 minus 120. This will become 60 degrees. So, x is equal to 60 degrees. This is the value of x. Third bit, here triangle XYZ is given. Angle x is equal to 30 degrees, angle y is equal to 110 degrees, angle z is equal to x degrees. Let us solve this one. So, angle x plus angle y plus angle z is equal to 180 degrees by the angle sum property. What is angle x? Angle x is 30, angle y is 110, angle z is x. So, 30 plus 110 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. 30 plus 110 becomes 140. 140 plus x is equal to 180. Transpose 140 to the right side, it will become minus 140. X is equal to 180 minus 140 degrees. 180 minus 140 will become 40 degrees. So, x is equal to 40 degrees. This is the value of the x. Second problem. Find the values of the unknown x and y in the following diagrams. ఇచ్చిన diagrams లో x మరియు y లని మనం find out చేయాలి. The first bit, here triangle PQR is given. at vertex P angle x degrees are there, and at vertex Q 50 degrees angle is there, and at vertex R y degrees internal angle and 120 degrees external angle is given. Let us solve this problem. First of all, we calculate y at vertex R. At vertex R, y degrees plus external angle is 120 degrees. See, y degrees and 120 degrees both are adjacent angles on a straight line. So, this will become 180 degrees. What is the reason? Adjacent angles on a straight line are supplementary. That means adjacent angle, sum of the adjacent angle on a straight line becomes 180 degrees. Transpose plus 120 degrees to the right side of the equation, it will become minus 120 degrees. Therefore, y degrees is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Therefore, y degrees is equal to 180 minus 120 becomes 60 degrees. We got the y value. Now, we will find the x value in the triangle PQR by the angle sum property. In triangle PQR, x degrees plus y degrees plus the third angle is 50 degrees. The sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees by angle sum property. We know the y value. What is the y value? 60 degrees plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, x degrees plus 60 plus 50 becomes 110 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Transpose plus 110 degrees to the right side, it will become minus 110 degrees. Therefore, x degrees is equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. Therefore, x degrees is equal to 180 minus 110 becomes 70 degrees. We got the x value. So, therefore, x is equal to 70 degrees and y is equal to 60 degrees in the problem. Next bit. Here triangle RST is given. At the vertex R, the internal angle is x degrees and its opposite angle is 80 degrees. The outside opposite angle 80 degrees. And at vertex S 50 degrees is given, and at vertex T y degrees is given. Let us solve this problem. First of all, we find the x value at vertex R. At vertex R, x degrees is equal to 80 degrees because they are opposite angles at the same vertex. Opposite angles with common vertex. Opposite angles with the common vertex are equal. We have already learned. So, we have got x value directly, and we will find the y value by the angle sum property in the triangle RST. By the angle sum property, x degrees plus y degrees plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees by angle sum property. Therefore, we know the x value is 80 degrees. So, 80 degrees plus y degrees plus 50 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Add 80 plus 50, it will become 130. Therefore, y degrees plus 130 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Transpose this 130 to the right side, it will become minus 130. So, y degrees is equal to 180 minus 130 degrees. So, y degrees is equal to 180 minus 130 becomes 50 degrees. So, this is the y value. That is the answer. Next bit. Here triangle MNA is given at vertex M, 50 degrees angle is given. At vertex N, the internal angle is y degrees and the external angle is x degrees, and at vertex A 60 degrees angle is given. Let us solve this problem. First, we will find the y value by the angle sum property. In triangle MNA, y degrees plus 50 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 180 degrees by angle sum property. Therefore, y degrees plus 50 plus 60 becomes 110 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So, transpose plus 110 to the right side, it will become minus 110. So, y degrees is equal to 180 minus 110 degrees. So, y degrees is equal to 70 degrees. This is the y value we have got. Now, we will find the x value at vertex N. At vertex N, observe x and y, they are adjacent angles on the straight line. So, they are supplementary. That means, the sum of the two angles will become 180 degrees. X degrees plus y degrees is equal to 180 degrees, since they are adjacent angles on a straight line. Adjacent angles on a straight line are supplementary. We have already got the y value, therefore, x degrees plus y value is 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So, x value is equal to plus 70 ni right side transpose cheyandi, minus 70 avutundi, 180 minus 70. So, x value is 180 minus 70 becomes 110 degrees. So, we have got the answer. Next problem. Here triangle ABC is given. At vertex A y degrees, at vertex B 30 degrees, at vertex C x degrees is given and its opposite angle is 60 degrees. Let us solve this problem. First of all, we will find the x value. At vertex C, x degrees is equal to 60 degrees because they are opposite angles with a common vertex. Opposite angles with a common vertex are equal. So, we have directly got the x value. Now, we will find the y value by the angle sum property. In triangle ABC, x degrees plus y degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees by angle sum property. We know the x value, that is 60 degrees plus y degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 60 plus 30 becomes 90. So, therefore, y degrees plus 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Transpose plus 90 to the right side, it will become minus 90. So, y degrees is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees. So, y degrees is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90. So, the y value is 90 degrees. So, this is the answer. Next problem. Here triangle EFG is given. Next bit. Here triangle EFG is given. At vertex E, the angle is y degrees, and at vertex F and G, both are the same angles equal to x degrees, and at vertex E, the opposite angle is 90 degrees. Let us solve this problem. First of all, we calculate the y value, that is 90 degrees. At vertex E, y degrees is equal to 90 degrees because they are opposite angles with a common vertex. So, we got the y value, and we will find the x value by the angle sum property. In triangle EFG, the sum of the angles is x degrees plus x degrees plus y degrees is equal to 180 degrees by angle sum property. So, x degrees plus x degrees will become 2x degrees plus the y value is we have got, that is 90 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Transpose plus 90 to the right side, it will become minus 90. So, therefore, 2x degrees is equal to 180 minus 90 degrees. So, 2x degrees is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90 degrees. Now, transpose this 2 to the right side, it will divide there because it is multiplying the x value. So, x degrees is equal to 90 degrees divided by 2. Cancel the 90 with the 2. 2 1 ja 2, 245 ja 90. So therefore x degrees is equal to 45 degrees. This is the x value we have calculated. Next bit, here triangle LET is given. At vertex L, the internal angle is not given, but its opposite angle is x degrees, and at vertex E also the opposite angle is x degrees, and at vertex T also the opposite angle is x degrees. ఇక్కడ ట్రయాంగిల్లో అన్ని వర్టెక్స్ల దగ్గర కూడా ఇంటర్నల్ యాంగిల్ ఇవ్వకుండా దానికి ఆపోజిట్ యాంగిల్స్ ఇచ్చారు. సో we know that the opposite angles with the same vertex are equal. So in triangle LET, angle L is equal to x degrees, angle E is equal to x degrees, angle T is equal to x degrees. Since opposite angles with common vertex are equal. సో ఇక్కడ x డిగ్రీసే ఉంటుంది, ఇది కూడా x డిగ్రీస్ అవుతుంది, ఇది కూడా x డిగ్రీస్ అవుతుంది. ఈ ట్రయాంగిల్లో 3 యాంగిల్స్ కూడా x డిగ్రీస్ అవుతాయి. దేర్ఫోర్ by the angle sum property, the sum of the 3 angles, angle L plus angle E plus angle T is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore x degrees plus x degrees plus x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So x plus x becomes 3x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. ఇక్కడ 3x ని మల్టిప్లై చేస్తుంది. If we transpose 3 to the right side, it will divide the 180. So x degrees is equal to 180 by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18, 3 0 ja 0. Therefore x value is 60 degrees. This is the answer. Next problem, find the measure of the third angle of triangles whose 2 angles are given below. ఇక్కడ మనకు ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్లో 2 యాంగిల్స్ ఇచ్చారు, మూడో యాంగిల్ ఏంటో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటున్నారు. ద ఫస్ట్ బిట్ 38 degrees and 102 degrees. Let us solve this problem. Let the third angle is equal to x degrees. ఆ థర్డ్ యాంగిల్ని x degrees అనుకుందాం. We know that the sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So the 2 angles are 38 and 102. Third angle is x. Therefore 38 plus 102 plus x will become 180 degrees. So 38 plus 102 becomes 140. 140 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. 140 ని రైట్ సైడ్ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేయండి, మైనస్ 140 అవుతుంది. x is equal to 180 minus 140. This becomes x is equal to 40 degrees. 40 degrees is the third angle in the required triangle. Second bit 116 degrees and 30 degrees. We have to find the third angle. Let us solve this one. Let the third angle is equal to x degrees. Sum of the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore, 116 plus 30 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. 116 plus 30 becomes 146 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. 146 in right side transpose cheyandi, x is equal to 180 minus 146. Therefore, x is equal to 34 degrees. 34 degrees is the third angle in the required triangle. Next, third bit, 40 degrees and 80 degrees. We have to find the third angle. Let us solve this one. Let the third angle is equal to x degrees. Sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, 40 plus 80 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. 40 plus 80 becomes 120. 120 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. 120 in right side transpose cheyandi, x is equal to 180 minus 120. Therefore, x is equal to 60 degrees. So, 60 degrees is the third angle. Next bit, in a right angle triangle, one acute angle is 30 degrees. Find the other acute angle. ఒక రైట్ యాంగిల్ ట్రయాంగిల్లో మిగతా రెండు అక్యూట్ యాంగిల్స్ ఉంటాయి. అందులో ఒకటి 30 degrees అయితే ఇంకొక అక్యూట్ యాంగిల్ ఏంటో ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నాడు. లెట్ us solve this one. Given angles in the triangle are 90 degrees and 30 degrees. Because it is a right angle triangle, so one angle is 90 degrees and other angle is given as 30 degrees. Let the third angle is equal to x degrees. We know that the sum of the angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, 90 plus 30 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. 90 plus 30 is equal to 120. 120 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. We have to find x. Transpose 120 to the right side. Then x is equal to 180 minus 120. This will become x is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, the third angle in the given right angle triangle is 60 degrees. This is the answer. Fifth bit, state true or false for each of the following statements. ఇచ్చిన స్టేట్మెంట్స్లో ఏది ట్రూనో ఏది ఫాల్సో చెప్పమని అంటున్నారు. The first statement is, a triangle can have two right angles. ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్లో రెండు రైట్ యాంగిల్స్ ఉండవచ్చు అని అంటున్నాడు. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. సీ హియర్, ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఆర్ టూ రైట్ యాంగిల్స్, దెన్ ద టూ సైడ్స్ డజంట్ మీట్, దెన్ ఇట్ మే నాట్ బి అ ట్రయాంగిల్. ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్లో రెండు రైట్ యాంగిల్స్ ఉన్నట్లయితే ఈ రెండు సైడ్లు ఒకదానికొకటి కలవకుండా దూరంగా వెళ్ళిపోతాయి, అప్పుడు అది ట్రయాంగిలే కాదు. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఎ ఫాల్స్ స్టేట్మెంట్. ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్లో ఒక రైట్ యాంగిల్ మాత్రమే పాసిబుల్ అవుతుంది, రెండు రైట్ యాంగిల్ పాసిబుల్ కాదు. సెకండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్, ఏ ట్రయాంగిల్ కెన్ హ్యావ్ టూ అక్యూట్ యాంగిల్స్. ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్లో రెండు అక్యూట్ యాంగిల్స్ ఉండవచ్చు అంటున్నాడు. అక్యూట్ యాంగిల్స్ మీన్స్ లెస్ దాన్ 90 degrees. దిస్ ఈజ్ ట్రూ బికాస్ సీ దిస్ వన్, ఇన్ దిస్ ట్రయాంగిల్ 62 degrees, 43 degrees, 75 degrees. These are the three angles, all are acute angles. సో ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్లో 3 acute angles ఉండొచ్చు, 2 కూడా ఉండొచ్చు. So this is a true statement. Third statement, a triangle can have two obtuse angles. What is an obtuse angle? If a angle is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180 degrees, then it will be an obtuse angle. 90 కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటే దాన్ని obtuse angle అంటారు. This is a false statement. See this picture. If we take two obtuse angles, then the picture will be like this. the two sides may not meet to form a triangle. ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్లో రెండు అబ్ట్యూస్ యాంగిల్ తీసుకుంటే ఈ రెండు సైడ్లు దూరంగా వెళ్ళిపోతాయి, ఇవి ఒకదాన్ని ఒకటి కలవవు, అప్పుడు అది ట్రయాంగిలే కాదు. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. సో ద గివెన్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఈస్ ఫాల్స్. ఫోర్త్ స్టేట్మెంట్, ఈచ్ యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎ ట్రయాంగిల్ కెన్ బి లెస్ దాన్ 60 degrees. ఒక ట్రయాంగిల్లో ప్రతి యాంగిల్ కూడా 60 కంటే తక్కువ ఉంటుంది అంటున్నాడు. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ట్రూ, ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ ఫాల్స్ స్టేట్మెంట్. See this example. Here angle B is 30 degrees and angle C is 30 degrees. Both are less than 60 degrees. But angle A is 120 degrees. It is greater than 60 degrees. So it is not possible to have all the three angles as less than 60 degrees. మూడు యాంగిల్స్ 60 కంటే తక్కువ ఉండడం అవకాశం లేదు, ఎందుకంటే రెండు 60 కంటే తక్కువ ఉంటే మూడోది కంపల్సరీ 60 కంటే ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద యాంగిల్స్ 180 degrees కావాలి కాబట్టి రెండు 60 కంటే తక్కువ ఉంటే మూడవది ఆటోమేటిక్గా 60 కంటే ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది. Since the sum of the angles is equal to 180 degrees, if the two angles are less than 60, then automatically the third angle will be greater than 60. So this is a false statement. Next problem, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find the angles. Let us solve this problem. Given ratio between the angles is 1:2:3. Let the three angles be x degrees, 2x degrees and 3x degrees. Because the ratio is 1:2:3, the first angle will be the multiple of 1, that is 1x degrees, and the second angle will be the multiple of 2, that is 2x degrees, and the third angle will be the multiple of 3, that is 3x degrees. By the angle sum property, sum of the three angles will become 180 degrees. So x degrees plus 2x degrees plus 3x degrees will become 180 degrees. So x plus 2x plus 3x will become 6x degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Here 6 is multiplying the x. If we take it to the right side, it will divide the 180. So x is equal to 180 by 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 6 0 is 0. So therefore the x value is 30 degrees. We have got the x value. Now we will calculate the three angles. The first angle is x. X is equal to 30 degrees, and the second angle is 2x. So 2 into 30, it will become 60 degrees, and the third angle is 3x degrees, that is equal to 3 into 30 degrees. So 33 is 90 degrees. Therefore the three angles are 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees. This is our answer. Next problem. In the figure, DE parallel to BC and angle A is equal to 30 degrees and angle B is equal to 50 degrees. Find the values of x, y and z. In the here triangle ABC is there. This is DE and this is BC, both are parallel. Here angle A is 30 degrees and angle B is 50 degrees. We have to find this x value, y value and z value. Let us solve this problem. Because DE parallel to BC and DB will be the transversal, and y and this 50 degrees will be the corresponding angles, so both are equal. Given that DE is parallel to BC and DB will be the transversal. DB is a transversal. Therefore, y degrees is equal to 50 degrees because they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal. In the previous exercise, we have learnt about the parallel lines, transversal and these corresponding angles. Now, we will find the x value from triangle ADE. See here in triangle ADE, we know the angle A and angle D. Then we will find the angle x by the angle sum property. In triangle ADE, x plus y plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees by angle sum property. Therefore, we know the y value is 50 degrees. So, x plus 50 degrees plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So, x plus 50 plus 30 will become 80 is equal to 180. So, x is equal to 180 minus 80. Therefore, x is equal to 100 degrees. Here we got the x value. We also got the y value. Now we will find the z value from triangle ABC. Here x and z are corresponding angles because DE parallel to BC and EC will be the transversal. So, DE parallel to BC and EC is a transversal. Therefore, z degrees is equal to x degrees. Z is equal to x because they are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles. Therefore, z is equal to, we got x as 100 degrees. So, z is equal to 100 degrees. So, this is the value of z. This is the answer. Next problem. In the figure, angle ABD is equal to 3 times angle DAB and angle CDB is equal to 96 degrees. Find angle ABD. See the figure? Here angle A is equal to x and angle ABD is 3 times this x, that means 3x, and this angle BDC or angle CDB is given as 96 degrees. We have to find this angle ABD, that means we have to find the value of 3x. Here angle ADB and angle BDC both are adjacent angles on a straight line, they will be supplementary, that means the sum of these two angles will be 180 degrees. By this property we will find the angle ADB. ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ ఏడీబీ యాంగిల్ బీడీసీ రెండు కలిపితే 180 డిగ్రీస్ అవుతుంది, ఎందుకంటే ఇవి ఒకే స్ట్రెయిట్ లైన్ పైన ఉన్న అడ్జసెంట్ యాంగిల్స్ కాబట్టి. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఈ యాంగిల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఎట్ పాయింట్ డి ఆన్ లైన్ ఏసీ యాంగిల్ ADB plus angle BDC is equal to 180 degrees because they are adjacent angles on a straight line. So they will be supplementary. Therefore angle ADB plus angle BDC is 96 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So angle ADB is equal plus 96, right side transpose చేస్తే minus 96 అవుతుంది, 180 minus 96 degrees. So angle ADB is equal to 180 degrees minus 96 degrees will become 84 degrees. Therefore this angle will be 84 degrees. In triangle ADB, by the angle sum property, x plus 3x plus 84 is equal to 180 degrees by angle sum property. Therefore x plus 3x becomes 4x plus 84 is equal to 180 degrees. So 4x is equal to 180 minus 84. So 4x is equal to, this will become 96 degrees. Therefore x is equal to 96 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 1 will be remain, so this will become 16, 4 4 ja 16. X is equal to 24 degrees. So we have to find angle ABD. Therefore angle ABD is equal to 3x, that is equal to 3 into 24. So this will become 3 4 ja 12, 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 1 7, 72 degrees. Angle ABD is equal to 72 degrees. This is the answer. Next problem. In triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 2 times angle Q and 2 times angle R is equal to 3 times angle Q. Calculate the angles of triangle PQR. Let us solve this problem. Here relationship between angle P and angle Q is given and relationship between angle R and angle Q is given. So angle Q is common in both the relations. Suppose angle Q is equal to x degrees. ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ Pకి యాంగిల్ Qకి మధ్య రిలేషన్ ఉంది, అలాగే యాంగిల్ Qకి యాంగిల్ Rకి మధ్య రిలేషన్ ఉంది. యాంగిల్ Q అనేది రెండిట్లో కామన్గా ఉంది కాబట్టి యాంగిల్ Qని మనం x అనుకుందాం. లెట్ యాంగిల్ Q is equal to x. Given that angle P is equal to 2 times angle Q. So therefore angle P is equal to 2 times angle Q, means angle Q x అనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి 2x అవుతుంది. Given that 2 times angle R is equal to 3 times angle Q. Therefore 2 times angle R is equal to 3 times angle Q x అనుకున్నాం కాబట్టి x, 3x. 2 is multiplying angle R. If we transpose it to the right side, it will divide. So angle R is equal to 3 by 2x. Therefore in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees by angle sum property. What is angle P? Angle P is 2x. What is angle Q? We assumed that angle Q is equal to x. What is angle R? Angle R is 3 by 2x is equal to 180 degrees. Here we can take LCM. LCM will be the 2. So two into 2x becomes 4x plus 2 into x becomes 2x plus here LCM denominator, so take 3x is equal to 180 degrees. So 4x plus 2x plus 3x becomes 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9. 9x by 2 is equal to 180 degrees. So 9x is equal to 2 ని రైట్ సైడ్ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ చేస్తే మల్టిప్లై చేస్తుంది 180 into 2. Now transpose 9 to the right side, it will divide. X is equal to 180 into 2 by 9. So 9 ones are 9, 9 20s are 180. So x value is 22 is 40 degrees. Now therefore what is x? X is angle Q. So angle Q is equal to 40 degrees. And what is angle P? Angle P is equal to 2x. So 2x means 2 into 40. 2 into 40. Therefore angle P is equal to 40 is 80 degrees. And what is angle R? Angle R is equal to 3 by 2 x, that is equal to 3 by 2 into 40. 2 1s are 2, 2 20s are 40. So angle R is equal to 3 into 20, 23 is 60. So angle R is equal to 60 degrees. So this is the answer. Next problem. If the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:4:5, find the angles. Let us solve this problem. Given ratio between the angles is 1:4:5. Let the angles be x degrees, 4x degrees, 5x degrees. Because the first angle's ratio is 1, so it will be the multiple of 1, so 1x means x degrees. Second angle's ratio is 4, so it will be the multiple of 4, that will be 4x degrees, and the third angle will be the multiple of 5, that is 5x degrees. Therefore, x plus 4x plus 5x will become 180 degrees by angle sum property. Therefore, x plus 4x plus 5x becomes 10x is equal to 180 degrees. If we transpose 10 to the right side, it will divide the 180. X degrees is equal to 180 by 10. 10 1 ja 10, 10 18 ja 180. So, x is equal to 18 degrees. So, if x is 18 degrees, then 4x is equal to 4 into 18, 18 4 is 72 degrees, and 5x is equal to 5 into 18, it will be 90 degrees. Therefore, the three angles are 18 degrees, comma 72 degrees, comma 90 degrees. This is our answer. Next problem. The acute angles of a right triangle are in the ratio 2:3. Find the angles of the triangle. Let us solve this problem. Given it is a right triangle. Right triangle means one angle is 90 degrees. Suppose this is the right angle triangle. The right angle triangle అని ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి ఒక యాంగిల్ 90 degrees ఉంటుంది. This is a 90 degrees angle. And the remaining two are acute angles. The ratio is given as 2:3. That means one angle will be 2x and the other angle will be 3x, because their ratio is 2:3. One angle will be the multiple of 2 and other angle will be the multiple of 3. Now we will find those two acute angles. Given ratio between the two acute angles is 2:3. Let the two acute angles be 2x, 3x. Therefore, in the right triangle, 2x plus 3x plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees by angle sum property. Two x plus 3x becomes 5x plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. Transpose plus 90 to the right side, it will become 5x is equal to 180 minus 90. So 5x is equal to 180 minus 90 becomes 90. X is equal to 90 by 5. 5 1 ja 5. 5 18 ja 90. So therefore x is equal to 18 degrees. We have to find 2x and 3x. Therefore 2x is equal to 2 into 18, that is 36 degrees, and 3x is equal to 3 into 18, that will be 54 degrees. Therefore the two acute angles are 36 degrees and 54 degrees. This is the answer. Parallel to RQ and angle LMR is equal to 130 degrees. Find angle MPL, angle LMP and angle QRP. Let us solve this problem. Here in triangle PQR, here ML is parallel to RQ. ML అనేది RQ కి parallel గా ఉంది. ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ LMR 130 degrees ఇచ్చారు. మనము ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ MPL ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. MPL అంటే ఇక్కడ P దగ్గర ఉన్న యాంగిల్, అలాగే యాంగిల్ LMP. So this angle we have to find, and angle QRP. So this angle at vertex R, we have to find the angle. First of all, we will find the angle LMP, because this angle LMP and 130 degrees both are adjacent angles on a straight line. They will be supplementary. This means sum of these two angles will be 180 degrees. At point M on line PR, angle LMP plus angle LMR will be 180 degrees, because they are adjacent angles on a straight line. Therefore angle LMP plus LMR is 130 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So angle LMP is equal to 180 minus 130. This will become angle LMP is equal to 50 degrees. One angle we have found. Next we will find angle QRP. Here angle QRP is a corresponding angle to angle LMP, because LM parallel to RQ. So angle LMP and angle QRP both are corresponding angles. Given ML is parallel to RQ and MR is a transversal, or PR is a transversal. PR is a transversal. ML is parallel to RQ and PQ is a transversal. Therefore, angle MLP is equal to angle PQR. Therefore, angle MLP is equal to 90 degrees. Now, in triangle MPL, (50 degrees plus 90 degrees plus angle MPL is equal to 180 degrees. ఇక్కడ 50 degrees 90 degrees ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ MPL మనకు తెలియదు. ఈ మూడు యాంగిల్స్ కలిపితే 180 degrees వస్తుంది. బై యాంగిల్ సమ్ ప్రాపర్టీ. Therefore, 50 plus 90 becomes 140 plus angle MPL is equal to 180 degrees. మనకు MPL కావాలి కాబట్టి 140ని రైట్ సైడ్ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేయండి. It will become 180 minus 140. So, therefore, angle MPL is equal to 180 minus 140 becomes 40 degrees. So, we got this is the answer. Next problem. In figure ABCDE, find angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5. We have to find the sum of all the 5 angles in the given figure. Let us solve this problem. First of all, we will divide this figure into 3 triangles by joining A comma C and A comma D with 2 lines. Join A to C. Draw a line A to C and draw a line A to D. Now, this figure is divided into 3 triangles. By the help of these 3 triangles, we can calculate the sum of the 5 angles in the figure. Here, angle 1 is divided into 3 parts. Suppose this part is A1 and this part is A2 and this part is A3, and also angle 3 is divided into 2 parts at vertex C. Suppose this is C1 and this is C2. Here at vertex D, angle 4 is divided into 2 parts. Suppose this is part D1 and this is part D2. Here angle 1 is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3. Angle 3 is equal to C1 plus C2 and angle 4 is equal to d1 plus d2 by angle sum property take triangle ABC. The three angles are A1, angle 2 and C1. The sum of the angles will become 180 degrees. In triangle ABC, A1 plus angle 2 plus C1 is equal to 180 degrees. Say it as equation 1. And in triangle ACD, take this triangle, the angles are A2, C2 and D1. A2 plus C2 plus D1 is equal to 180 degrees. Say it as equation 2. And in the triangle ADE, angles are A3, D2 and angle 5. A3 plus D2 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degrees. Say it as equation 3. Add 1, 2, 3 equations. Add the left hand side of all the three equations and add all the right hand side of all the three equations. We will get first equation left hand side is first equation LHS is A1 plus angle 2 plus C1 plus second equation left hand side is A2 plus C2 plus D1 third equation LHS is A3 plus D2 plus angle pi is equal to 180 plus 180 plus 180 180 plus 180 plus 180. Now we will write all A's side by side, that is A1 plus A2 plus A3 and write angle 2 and write C1 and C2 side by side, C1 plus C2 plus write D1 and D2 side by side, D1 plus D2 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 into 3. So 3 times 180 becomes 540 degrees. We know that A1 plus A2 plus A3 is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus we know that C1 plus C2 is angle 3 plus D1 plus D2 is angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 540 degrees. This is our answer. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon, you will get further notifications. Thank you.